drop. Ay. Pwede ba
Your
mag-right?
destination is on the right.
Right ba ako? O dito na kayo? Maghahanap tayong parking. I have no idea. Ah.
Well, ewan ko sa car.
Okay. Nandito kami ngayon sa Laguna, sa Carmona, Laguna. And dito sa Carmona Medical Center. Kasi itutuloy na namin yung pang ECGK Pixar para sa requirement sa baseball yan. So this is the day. Sana yung attempt namin this time maging success na. So dito. Yan. Ito tayo. There's a bed? Oh no. I think you will lie down the bed. What about the other ECG? Is there a bed too? Uh-huh. Okay. Para kang uoperahan na. So sisimulan na po yung ECG ni Pixar. Ang ganyan pala yan. Lay down lang.
This is your first time? Huh?
Yeah, first time po. Ano yan eh, kakagising lang. Tipid pa sa
Sa salita.
Mamaya pa magiging madaldal yan.
Ay, ganun. Kakagising lang pala eh.
Wala pang warm up. Ano pong tawag dyan sa machine na yan?
ECG.
ECG na rin. Yan na mismo. Pixar, don't move. Just, it's painless. Don't worry. It's harmless. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. No, don't worry. She's used to that. Okay? Ganyan pala yan. Ngayon lang din ako nakakitang may ECG. Parang ako never pa akong na-ECG.
Sa mga APE.
APE? ECG ba yun? Hindi ba siya yung kinukuha ng kalang ng BP? Ganon? Hindi, parang hindi ko pa naranasan na may nilagay sa katawan ko.
Ah, serious? Meron
Oo.
po yun? Ay, baka hindi nyo lang
Oo nga. Hindi ko pa
walang
na-try.
sinaction na
Sa katawan ko, walang ganyan.
sa mga EP to kasi kasama siya sa basic 7 not allowed to move.
So, ganyan pa pala yan.
Okay, relax.
So, just listen to ate nurse, ha?
So, moving hands.
I have to release everything because I didn't use it last week. Okay, I'll go there.
Just don't worry, it's painless, it's harmless.
There's no pain, that's it.
No,
It's just, you're just lying down.
you can let me for her.
Because they're getting the electrical conduction of your body, and if you move, it won't be accurate. Even your hand.
Okay, relax. Relax lang.
Just listen to ate. Kinakabahan siguro.
Kinakabahan.
Oo.
Relax lang, baby.
Oo,
Walang,
relax lang, relax lang. Walang injection
walang
yan.
injection, that's it.
Oo.
Ganito na lang, Pixar. Try to close your eyes.
Yes,
Imagine.
oo. Imagine you're sleeping.
Oo, imagine you're going to
Ayun
sleep.
naman, nakikita kasi yung chest niya. Totoo.
Nahihiya.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, relax.
Relax. Close eyes.
Close eyes na.
Think of Roblox.
Yeah.
Remember Daddy's promise after this candy corner.
Wow.
No, that was last week.
Relax ka na. So that it's faster. Yung lens.
Oh, dear. Axe. Pizza is... You can just take a peek. Come here. Peek, look. Look at Pixar. There's Pixar.
Nice abs.
And binabato mo yung shirt niya.
Wow! Finish? Good job. Oh, done na si Axton. There's Axton.
You're done? Check his abs too.
You want to check Axton too?
O yan, abs to daw. Yun na.
Easy. It's easy.
Do you want to watch abs?
Nag-ano pa?
Oh, see? Nagsi-sit ups pa oh.
Sit up pa.
Ay, kaso lang tataas heart rate mo niyan.
Mga 6 packs to.
Tataas heart rate mo niyan, mapapagod ka.
It's big soul.
Ha?
Pixar only has 6 pack.
I saw his six-pack. I don't have.
Ito yan, sige, pasok ka. Ako ang lalabas. Does it hurt when they put something here just like that?
Just the little bit.
And then it's like this. The one in the movies. Ay! Oh. Boys. Thank you, ate.
Okay na. Dalawa lang yan.
Oh, yan. Picture daw kayo na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. 10 o'clock na sila.
Sino? Andrew? Yan. Nagutom yung mga bata. Okay, tapos na sila. Ito nga pala yung ospital, no? Ito yung main road siguro ng Carmona, yun, no? Welcome to Carmona. So, ito yung pinaka-hospital. Yan. Ang laki rin. Tapos may McDonald's sa tabi. Tapos parang Las Piñas, traffic. Or intersection lang. Okay, tapos na ang kanilang ECG. And correction pala, no, hindi pala Laguna yung Carmona. Cavite pala yun. Nasa boundary lang pala yun ng Cavite. Ay, ng Laguna yung pinuntahan namin. Kaya wala na kami sa Laguna, yung nasa hospital kami. So, Carmona Medical Center, Cavite po yun. So, balik SLEX po kami. Oh, ayan. Pixar. Oh, kamusta ECG mo? Good? Is it ouchy?
No, just a little bit. Because
What do you mean a little bit?
the sound,
Okay.
it felt like it was pincing, but I could handle it.
You can handle it. Did you cry? No?
No.
Very good. Si Ax nga nag-sit-ups muna eh. Pangalay. Bili tayo ng chayin. Nandito po kami sa condo ngayon. Si Teens namimili sa SM ngayon ng ibang mga gamit para dito. Magdadagdag po kasi siya ng mga ibang decorations po dito, no? Gawa ng this second week of September, meron pong magre-rent ng unit na to for I think almost a month. No? So gusto namin pagandahin para naman mag-enjoy yung mag-i-stay, no? So right now, kung ano yung mga nakita nyo before yung furniture ko na to sa vlog, meron na tayong na-install na TV, double deck to before, na nagawan na natin na na palitan na natin ng queen size bed, yan po. Yan. Tapos meron din sofa bed. So nako-convert to sa sofa, no. So dining table, okay. May ref. 'Yon. So, 'yun again, no. May magre-rent sa amin ng almost a month, and then after nun, free na naman siya. So, open na po talaga to para sa lahat. So, okay po.